Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step process of creating new Gmail account. So let's dive into it. Before we begin, let's briefly explain what Gmail is. Gmail is an email service provided by Google, and your Gmail account is essentially your Google account. They are one and the same, providing you with access to a wide range of Google services. With Google account, you can have access to Google products like Drive, Docs, Calendar, and many more. It provides users with 15 GB of storage for messages and other media files. Whether you are using laptop, desktop, or mobile device, the process remains the same. For today's video, I am using PC.
Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this.
To create a Gmail account, first open any web browser on your device. I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type www.gmail.com, or you can also type gmail.com on any web browsers. Then you'll be taken to this page right over here. Here you can see Google sign in page. If you already have an account, enter your email or phone number right over here in this box. Since we are going to create new account for this video, tap on create account over here. Now choose the option for whom you want to create an account, whether it's for personal use or for your children or for your business. Here I am choosing for my personal use. Now you need to enter your first name and last name. Tap your first name, then enter your last name in the given box. Then tap on next over here. So over here you need to enter your basic information. You need to first enter your birthday. Tap on month and choose a specific month. Then enter the day. Now enter your year of birth. Now select your gender by tapping on the box over here. Now tap on gender you belong to. Then tap on next. On this page here, you have to choose your Gmail address or create your own Gmail address. You can pick any of the Gmail address over here by clicking on the circle over here, or you can customize your Google address by tapping on create your own Gmail address right over here. Now enter the Gmail address that you want to create. After entering your Gmail address, tap on next. Now you need to create a strong password. The password should have mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now you need to re-enter the password. Then tap on next box over here. Now you need to add a recovery email, the address where Google can contact you if there is unusual activity in your account. So enter your recovery mail over this box. Then tap on next. You can also skip this process by tapping on skip over here. Now you need to add your phone number. Tap on the phone number box over here and enter your phone number. Google will use this number only for account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can also skip this process by tapping on skip. For now, I am using my phone number as well, so tap on next. You can review your account information right over here. Once check your email address that you have created, then check your mobile phone number, then tap on next. Now here you can see privacy and terms. Once view through all the terms of service and privacy policy, then tap on I agree. Now that we have created our Gmail account, let's explore some features. We can look at our profile by tapping on the profile icon at top right side. Here you can see my new Gmail ID. To add pictures on the Gmail account, tap on this pen icon over here. Now tap on add profile picture. You can select the illustrations given by Google, or you can select from your computer by tapping on from computer. Now select any pictures you want. Then tap on next. Then tap on save as profile picture. With this, your profile picture will be updated. For other more features, tap on the profile icon at top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. Now here you can see various of options at corner left section. Tap on personal info. Now here you can change your name, birthday, gender as you wish. Tap on name. Now you can change your name. Then tap on save. With this, your name will be changed. Now to change password, scroll down. Then you can see the option and box of password. Tap on the given password over here, which is in the form of dots. Now enter new password. Then again re-enter the new password. Then tap on change password. With this, your password will be changed. To send mails to someone, go back to your inbox page. Now tap on compose over the left side of the given website. Now here you need to enter whom you are going to send the email to. Enter the email address of the recipient. Now you can enter the subject on the given subject box over here. You can enter the chat by tapping on the box over downside. You can attach the attachments or files by tapping on the pin icon right over here. Now select any documents or files you want to send. Now tap on send over here. You can start the email by tapping on the star icon at the side of the email. With this, your email will be start. On the left bar, you can see various of options. Tap on start. With this, you can see your start email. Now similarly, you can see the email that you have sent by tapping on sent. You can also see your draft email by tapping on drafts. You can tap on more to see more features. You can also add two-step verification on your Gmail. To do so, tap on profile icon at top right side, then tap on manage your Google account. Now tap on security option on the left side. Here you can see all the security concerns. Now scroll down. Under how you sign into Google, tap on two-step verification. Now scroll down and tap on get started. Now you need to enter your phone number over here. You can choose how you get code by tapping on the circle over here. You can either phone call or text message. I am choosing text message. Now scroll down and tap on next. Now a verification code will be sent to the phone number you have entered. You need to enter the code over here. Now enter the code. Then tap on next at right side. Now tap on turn on so you can use the two-step verification. This is how you can secure your Gmail account. To log out of your Gmail account, tap on profile icon at top right corner. Then tap on sign out. With this, you'll be logged out of your Gmail account. This is how we can successfully create a Gmail account and explore its various features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.